Hey, welcome back to the Corvette Posse YouTube channel. Today we have a little bit of Christmas in July. So, just received in my Morimoto taillights, the aventador-style taillights for the C7. And I tell you what, I am excited. So let's see what's in the package here. Alright, so in the package we have the taillights, and then the bezels actually have the backup lights in there. So this is going to be pretty slick. I'm pretty excited about this. The LED taillights, you can do them sequentially, you can do them full on. Going to be pretty slick. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back end part of the C7, get the bumper off, and what I do is we'll just kind of fast forward through that because we've got a video already on that. I'll link up above here. But we'll get these, we'll get this stuff taken off and get these guys put on. All right, well, hey, thankfully Patrick showed up. LJ showed up, the one-armed man. We got the bumper all off, so now we're gonna start taking out the stock tail lights here. So just four 7mm bolts to take out, and then we'll get these new guys put on.
Alrighty, so you don't have to pull the bumper completely off, but you do have to pull it back. It's kind of a blind struggle there to get that bottom screw out. And then you drop your tools. But hey, you pick it up and start over.
That's what we do. You pick it up and start back over.
Cut. No, this is some real live crap right here. I mean, you don't want the real time though. So we decided to remove the rear bumper just slightly. Don't unplug it, but just remove it so it'll simplify the process instead of pulling it out and fighting with it. We figured it might be just a little easier just to go ahead and completely remove it, get in there and make a quicker day, quicker process, get this done.
Easier access.
Easier access. Rich likes easy access.
That's right. All I gotta say is it's gonna look pretty cool.
Well, it's
Or look as cool as I think it's gonna look.
it's absolutely gonna look cool. There's only one problem. When I smoke you off the line, I ain't gonna see your tail lights.
You are not gonna see my tail lights, no.
And you're gonna see mine.
I am. You already got the LEDs.
Chevrolet's the mark. You put more.
Boy, check it out. You can already see a difference.
Yep.
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 Is it going?
It's going. Sequential tail lights now.
Oh, that's badass. Yep.
What'd you say it was?
Badass. I like it.
Turn it off and hit the brake. What's the brake look like?
I don't know if the brake will come on or not. Did it?
Well, the brake's on, but it's still blinking. Turn off the blinker. Now hit it.
There
Just
you
solid.
go.
There you
Yeah,
go.
just solid red.
Sweet.
Very nice.
Okay, so here are the finished product, and I know it's hard to tell with the sun and everything else, but these things really look good. I really like the looks of them with the car. I know it's hard to tell with the shade and all that, but yeah, that's pretty good. So what we'll do here quick is I'll turn on the hazards and we can talk about it a little bit. Okay, so here we go. I've got mine set up for the sequential, so you can see them going through the sequential. So I like that look a lot. But you know, the finish on these things is nice. It you know, it fits in nicely. I mean, it flows really nice. The backup lights are incredibly bright, so they look pretty good. So that's kind of nice for that piece. Overall, I really like the product a lot. One thing I had a little bit of an issue with is getting the bezel to fit in. The tabs weren't connecting or weren't clicking in on the, you know, in the bumper. Called Cole at Taillights. He got right back to me same day, gave me some tips on how to fix that, and it was great. So excellent customer service, great product. I really enjoy it, like it. Like the looks of them. I think it made a big difference. Easy install. I mean, the hardest part of the install is getting the bumper off, which is hard. The Taillights, the tail light assembly itself, it was a direct replacement for from the stock, so super easy, super nice. So really enjoyed it. I like the looks of it. So we'll put the contact information for Taillights down in the description, because like I said, it's a good product. I really like it a lot. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you already haven't, and we will talk to you next time. Thanks. Have a great day.